learn about Valentine's Day, and we're gonna open some cards and presents. Let's go! Valentine's Day is about love and help each other and kindness, because love is when we love each other and we care about each other, and we all love each other, and we love ourselves, and that's what Valentine's Day is. Wow, bravo, Lele. But it's time to open presents. Wow, how cool. Mom, this is for you. Wow. Look, guys, it worked. Did you like it? Okay, let's try more things. Ooh, look at this.
What can you do with that?
Oh, for the dark.
Can you turn that into a bracelet?
Nah. But it's green. It is glow in the dark. Come on, guys, I'm gonna show you. Come. Friends. Hello, guys. Okay, guys, do you want to see something so cool? Okay. Guys, look at this. It's so beautiful. It's sparkle. Okay. And guys, look at this. I love lollipops. Crawling by to say Happy Valentine's Day. There's one more. I open it. Oh. But it's not slime. Where? Oh my gosh. Okay. Wow, look at this, guys. This is so slimy. That's why I did this, for not be so sticky. Ooh, this is so soft. Touch it, guys, touch. Ooh, it's so soft, right? Wow. But it's not slimy, boy. It is! Ha ha! Wow, Mimi, that's great. Let's see some of mine. Wow! I love these. These are my favorite.
Wow.
There's M&M's. I love M&M's. Wow, there's a little bear holding a lollipop. It's so cute. It's a heart. Like Valentine's. Okay, now I need scissors. But friends, always remember you have to need a don't next bite you. Now let's see what we have here.
Oh.
Ooh. Now I have this. I love these. It's my favorite. Okay, I have two last things to show you. So, her name is Bevan, and her birthday is gonna be April 18. And I didn't know she had the name or a birthday. And she's so fluffy and cute. This that it has these two glue on. Look, guys. Okay, let's give it a try. It's so sticky and cool. And it has hearts here. Black hearts, and it's purple. My favorite color, kind of, because I very like purple. Okay, friends, I hope you have a great Valentine's Day. Thank you for opening our Valentine's present with us. She's Rhea, she's Bevan, and I don't know what he is, but bye, friends. I love you.